CK3489. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will go to the person in spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom will go to the person in spot number 30. It's pretty simple. Here we go. Three, 4, 8, 9. Good luck, all. List randomizer 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2. How am I still here at 9? 3, 4, and 5. Top team is Mavericks. Bottom team is the Kings. Oh, good team to be on the bottom 5 times. Good top and bottom there. Let's find out who's got what. Loggy seems picking up the Hawks. The Hornets are with... Can't see Charlotte anyway. Are they even on the list? Yes, spot 3. Asa Mendigoran, congratulations. Alrighty, good luck. Hawks, very good. Jazz, bad. If you want the honest truth. Alrighty. Devontae Graham, Jimmy Butler, John Collins. Peyton Pritchard, works in progress. Ruby. That is number 2149. A jersey for the Raptors of Malachi Flynn. And nice. To just 99, Colin Sexton. Impressionist Inc. Ben Simmons, Maestros. Tyrese Halliburton, works in progress. Rookies 2 of Onyeka Okongwu for the Hawks. And a Jamius Ramsey for the Kings. Rookies 1. Onyeka Okongwu is good. Well, he was a high pick, so which means Panini thinks he's good. Alrighty, John Wall, Steph Curry, Kyrie Irving, Nikola Jokic, Maestros Ruby, number to 149. Jersey, rookie expression, Dev Vassell. An auto of Big Shot Bob Horry to just 25. Nice one there for the Lakers. Maestro of Kawhi Leonard. First steps, Tyrese Halliburton. Rookies 2, Grant Riller. And an Onyeka Okongwu, rookies 1. Why is this still here? Final box. Magda's got another personal. Alrighty, Russell Westbrook, Domantas Sabonis, Karl-Anthony Towns. Sapphire, works in progress, numbered 14 and 25, Isaiah Stewart. A jersey, rookie expression, Saddiq Bey, to just 35. Violet, Ricky Rubio. Kemba Walker, Maestros, works in progress, Cole Anthony. Rookies 2, Kira Lewis Jr., and a Jalen Smith, rookies 1 for the Sun. And that is Court Kings 3489.